Come on then. Hello. I'm gonna do it all again, Bob. Hello, Bob. Kiss a kiss. You like me? You don't like to kiss me? If you want to kiss me, you kiss me. Peppa Pig. Hello. You fucking crazy bird. You fucking want to bite me? I'll bite you too. Oh. You like me? I like you too. Say hello. Say hello, Bob. No, say hello. Say hello to the camera. No, I said say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Bob.
What's
Bob.
it doing? Bugalugs.
You want some? I do for you. I do for you for fucking fun. You clean my teeth. I got dentist in the morning. Ah! Motherfucker! Are you motherfucker?
Look, he's got his wings out and everything.
You crazy bird, aren't you?
He wants you to touch under his wings.
Should we tickle? Tickle? Yes, tickle? No? You like my finger? No? You want my nose?
What is he doing that
What are we
noise?
saying, Bob? What do you want? Kisses? Oh, you don't like kisses? Cute, don't you like Nicky like me? You like me better, don't you, Mom? You want to bite my lip? Go on then. You take my lips off. You're gonna be a YouTube favorite. I don't mind. You fucking bite me for fun. No? You kiss me? You love me? I love you too, Bob. Come on then. Tickle. Come on then. No? Go on. Do that again because I'm getting hot now. Can't you see me sweating? Can you see me sweating? That's sweat all the time, yeah. Yeah, that's. Are you sweating too? Yes? Talk to me
He
then.
wants to get on your hand.
On my hand? Come on then.
No.
Or do you want to bite my hand? What you thinking, Bob? Have I got you all in a state of frenzy?
He doesn't know what to do with himself.
Come on then, Bob. I am your friend.
What is he doing?
I don't know. You got me very surprised now. Come here, give me kisses. Come here, give me kisses. You are my partner. Come on, Bob. Come here, I love you. Come on, Bob. I don't touch you. No. My boyfriend. Come here, my boyfriend. Are you my boyfriend? No. What are you saying, Bob?
What's up?
Say hello.
What's up?
Say hello. Say
He doesn't know
hello
what to
then.
do with himself.
Say hello.
Why does he keep
Talk.
doing that with his head?
Talking. You're not talking, Bob. No, I'm not talking to you now. Bob's not my friend no more because he don't want to talk to
Hey,
me.
come in. Hey, come in. No. Hey, come in.
Are you shitting on my back? You shit on my back while I'm not watching you. Oh, Bobby. Oh, Bobby. Oh, yes, Bobby. You want to bite me and I don't like it. But I do like it. And you don't understand. Because nobody's been like this with you before, Bob. Because I like you. Come on then. Say hello. Come on then. Say hello. No, no. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Bob. Oh, sexy. Are you a sexy boy? You are a sexy boy. Are you a sexy boy? Say hello then. Wave. Wave. Yes, clever boy. Clever boy waving for the camera. And a kiss as well. No, no, say hello. Say fuck you then, Bob. Can you say it? I know you're all giddy now. I know. We know you're all giddy. Ah, I know. You don't know what you're doing, do you? You're out of your fucking mind, aren't you? Probably out of his mind off my sweat. Am I sweating? And don't you know what to do with me? Because you're used to biting people. And I'm not showing you no fear. No fear. No fear, nigger. No fear, motherfucker. I've met your kind before.
He's so chilled. Look how far his wings are down and everything.
But he's scratching my eyeballs. You're chilled and I'm like, oh dear. Oh dear me. All right, Bob. All right.
You like your nose?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Right. If you bite me too hard, I bite your fucking beak off. Yes? Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. You're my baby. Baby Bob. Yes? Say hello. Say hello now. Talking. You gotta talk, Bob. You gotta talk to me. What do you want? Do you want biscuits? Crisps? Crisps for Bob. Bob crisp. What does Bob want? What do you want, Bob? Do you want me? Or do you want Crispies? What do you want? Do you want crispy? What do you want? Tell me. Tell me now. Right, let's calm down and tell me what you want. What do you want? Nicely. Nicely, Bob. What do you want? Are you flying? Show me. Show me your wings. Where's Bob's wings? Where's your wings? Flap your wings. Are these your wings? Are these ones here? Show me then. Flapping. Show me your wings. Where's Bob's wings?
You don't know what he's doing, bless him.
What are you doing, mate? Are you my friend? Are you on my shoulder? Yes? Tell me what you want.
But want a biscuit.
Want one biscuit? Biscuit, yeah. Where's biscuits? Shout Nicky.
What's he doing with his head?
Where's Nicky? Has Nicky got the biscuits? Where's Nicky? Has Nicky gone to bed? And left you with me? Oh, baby. You're my baby now. Are we going home? Oh, 5 biscuits. Me and you? Yeah. Forever. Lots of biscuit. Is it still recording? Oh, bugger. Oh, yes. Baby? You're not talking. Tell me what you want and I'll give you it. What do you want? Right, Bob. What do you want? Well, you've got me, so what else do you want? What can I give you? What do you want from me? Bite my nose. Do you want to bite my nose? Huh? And what else do you want? In your mouth? What do you want in your mouth?
What's your taking on that?
Have you shit on my back? Have you had a poo? Did you pull on my back? Am I going to find bird shit on my shoulder? Hey? Bird shit? Nigger? What's up?
I don't know what he's doing.
Is that his fucking mind, isn't it? I think he's shitting though. Whatever he's doing. There's a shit down my back.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very.
You shit on my back? Right.
Right, I'm gonna turn it off.